Senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Mirwais Umar Farooq, has underscored that the sustainable peace, stability and economic development in the region cannot be achieved without addressing the Kashmir dispute. In an interview in Srinagar, Mirwais Umar Farooq highlighted that the core issue fueling the tensions between Pakistan and India is the Kashmir conflict, which must be resolved to foster the cordial relations between the two countries. Umar Abdullah was sworn in as a chief minister today, following his National Conference Party's victory in the recently held sham elections. The oath-taking ceremony took place at the Kashmir International Convention Centre in Srinagar, with the Modi government appointed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha administering the oath to Umar Abdullah and his Council of Ministers. BJP regime-backed authorities in occupied Kashmir denied passes to many journalists for covering the oath-taking ceremony of the territory's new administration led by the Umar Abdullah. The ceremony took place at the Kashmir International Convention Centre in Srinagar. At least 3 individuals sustained critical injuries in a road accident in the Ganderbal district. The accident occurred this morning when an oil tanker collided with a car in the Marmar area of the Kangan district. Leaders of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter have expressed grave concern over the actions of the RSS-backed Indian government, particularly its systematic campaign to erase the identity of the Kashmiri Muslims and impose Hindutva ideology in occupied Kashmir. In a joint statement issued in Islamabad, APHC AJK leaders highlighted the urgent need for resistance against the destructive agenda of the Hindutva forces. Canada has uncovered a troubling nexus among the Indian officials, intelligence agents, and the criminal organizations targeting the Sikh activists within its borders. According to a report by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, this disclosure follows the murder of Hardeep Singh Nijjar, a prominent Sikh leader and the ardent advocate of the Khalistan movement, whose assassination in June 2023 has drawn widespread condemnation and cast a spotlight on the Modi government's controversial international tactics.